Okay, coming to you from an area called the Razorbacks. It's a trail outside of Cedar City, and this video is about how not all faults are obvious when you're standing on them. So we're going to start out by panning over to the west, and you can see a yellowish sandstone there. That is the Upper Triassic Chinle Formation, and so is this sort of brownish, purplish, reddish mud through here. And then as we pan across through this little saddle, this low-lying area, there's a bit of a color change there, and then a very dramatic change to those rocks there. Those rocks are part of the Lower Triassic Moenkopi Formation. And if you were to dig them away, as is happening in a lot of these valleys here, as you expose the overlying Lower Triassic rocks, you get more of the underlying Upper Triassic rocks. Another clue here is as I pan back, so we went from Upper Triassic to Lower Triassic here, and then as I look over at this hill here and we pan up the hill, this is all Moenkopi Formation, so it's all Lower Triassic. Then there's an unconformity right there, and then there's Upper Triassic Chinle Formation. My arm's getting a little shaky, sorry. And then if you look up here, the rocks behind here are all Triassic through Jurassic sandstones and mudstones from a different formation. So rocks are getting younger from here up the mountain. So they're all in natural stratigraphic position. But here we go from older to younger underneath it. So what kind of fault would that be? I'll tell you right now, it's striking roughly north-south, and it's dipping about 30 degrees to the east, which is this direction here, right? So what kind of fault would have a relatively low angle and have older rocks juxtaposed on top of younger rocks? And then the other kind of question is, why can't we see a big crack in the ground here? And that has to do with the fact that if we look down here, not all rocks hold up to weathering very well. And these are breaking up into soft silt and clay and bits of gypsum. So there are your clues, and give me the answers in your online quiz.